3 upon 1 is 3. Same here, displacement upon 1, again displacement. Now बनाइए डेफिनेशन, रटना मत सीखिए, बनाना सीखिए। डेफिनेशन आपको तभी आएंगे जब आपको उनको रटने से बचेंगे, खुद से बनाना सीखेंगे। वेलोसिटी इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट traveled by a body in per unit time. Same as here, speed is the distance traveled by a body in per unit time. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है। Welcome all the students. Now our topic average speed and average velocity. Let we have an example. Suppose हमारे पास दो places हैं A and B. Firstly, a car or bus or truck travel 10 km distance in 1 hour. In second time, 20 km distance in 4 hours. Then suppose 20 kilometers again 2 hours. Then here 40 kilometer distance in 6 hours. So now how we calculate average speed? See here, average speed. The simple formula of average speed: total distance traveled by a body throughout the journey and total time taken by an object, your body कह सकते हैं। Now total distance from A to B, say here 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 40, that is the distance, and total time 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, 6 hour, adding all of them 30, 50, 90, adding all of them 7 and 30. 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 13. Now 90 kilometer distance traveled by a body in 13 hours. Now you can find the answer in decimal form. You can divide it by a 13. 36 are 78. Now here 1 point. Approximately the answer goes to in decimal form. Means approximately 6.9 kilometer per hour is the average speed of a body. अब यहीं पर अगर हम बात करते हैं average velocity, all of you see carefully, because many of the students are having the doubt between average speed and average velocity. बहुत सारे बच्चे चिन्ह फंस जाते हैं कि एवरेज स्पीड और एवरेज वेलोसिटी में क्या फर्क है। नाउ एवरेज वेलोसिटी टोटल वेलोसिटी एंड नंबर ऑफ वेलोसिटी। Total velocity v1, v2, v3, v4. How many are there? 4. Now that is 90 upon 4. 4 बन जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. आप इसको डिवाइड कर लीजिए, यहाँ पे इजी रहेगा। So this is the difference between average velocity and average speed. Average speed is total distance traveled by a body in total time, and average velocity, again I repeat, total velocities v1, v2, v3, number of velocities. Velocities is displacement with respect time, displacement with respect time, displacement with respect time, and total number of velocities. How many velocities are there? 1 2 3 4. So 90 upon